This is a very common problem at every home. The wiper gets broken and this needs repair. I am thinking of a solution where we can do it at home. You can see here we have to insert this rod again, and how to make it permanent. I am using a plastic packet for this. Let us see if this helps. Rolling this packet. Now inserting it like this in the wiper blade. See if it can be of help. Now I think this has become workable. Let us see. I've put this rod in the wiper blade. I think this will work now, because this way we can use it and see how many days this is able to provide service.